You know, everyone so hard today. It's good to look out and see smile. Can I get a smile? A little bit. There you go. Boom. Can I get a smile, sir? No? Like, man, I don't smile. We don't smile where we from. Where are you from? Where you from? South? Smile. Southfield. Now you're gonna say East Side. Maybe not. Maybe not. I'm a guy. I love to joke. I love to laugh. So bear with me. But how did you successfully transition into college? That's the question, right? That's the session. So here's the first thing. The first thing is that I feel that you must first feel that you belong. You have to feel that you belong in college. You have to feel that you belong at a university. Because if you show up the first day and you're not prepared and mentally you feel that you don't belong, you lost the first battle. The first step is that you have to feel that you belong at the university. I came through a program called SSS. It's called Student Success Services. And this program was designed